Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show how to make Mexican cornbread casserole. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees F and grease an 8x8-inch baking dish. Stir together cornbread mix, eggs, milk, melted butter, cream-style corn, whole kernel corn, drained green chilies, shredded cheese, and a pinch of salt. Pour batter into the prepared dish, smooth the top, and bake until golden and a toothpick comes out mostly clean. Let cool briefly before serving. Start by measuring everything so the recipe moves smoothly. Combine cornbread mix with the exact wet ingredients the box specifies, then fold in cream-style corn and drained whole kernel corn. Add chopped green chilies and shredded cheese for texture and spice. If you like a richer casserole, use melted butter instead of oil and add an extra egg for structure. Mix just until combined to avoid a gummy texture. To get a perfect texture, place the baking dish in the center of the oven and avoid opening the door early. Check at 30 minutes and rotate the pan if your oven runs hot. A toothpick should come out with a few moist crumbs, never wet batter. Allow the casserole to rest for about 10 minutes after baking so steam redistributes and slices hold together. Serve warm with toppings like sour cream or fresh cilantro.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.